The construction industry is a complex dance of meticulous planning, resource allocation, and, crucially, stringent financial management. Every nail, every hour of labor, every cubic meter of concrete contributes to the overall cost, and without a clear, real-time understanding of these expenditures, projects can quickly spiral into financial distress. As a finance management expert, I'm often asked about the suitability of various project management tools for industries with highly specific financial demands, and construction is certainly one of them. So, the question arises, is ClickUp good for construction projects, particularly when it comes to financial oversight? The answer, while not a simple yes or no for every single scenario, leans heavily towards a resounding yes, with a clear understanding of its strengths and how to best leverage them for financial control. ClickUp, at its core, is a highly flexible and customizable platform. This adaptability is precisely what makes it a strong contender for managing the intricate financial aspects of construction projects. Let's break down how ClickUp can contribute to robust financial management in the construction sector. 1. Centralized cost tracking and budgeting. One of the biggest challenges in construction finance is the sheer volume and diversity of costs. Materials, labor, equipment, subcontractors, permits, and unexpected variations. Traditional methods often involve disparate spreadsheets, leading to data silos, errors, and a lack of real-time visibility. ClickUp provides a centralized hub where all these costs can be tracked. Here's how. Custom fields. This is where ClickUp truly shines for finance. You can create custom fields for every conceivable financial detail. Think estimated cost, actual cost, invoice number, vendor, payment status, budget category, and even change order value. These fields can be added to individual tasks, subtasks, or even entire projects. List and table views. Visualize your financial data in a structured manner. The list view can be used to list all tasks with their associated costs, while the table view, akin to a spreadsheet, allows for easy data entry, sorting, and filtering. You can create columns for all your custom financial fields, giving you a comprehensive overview. Formulas. ClickUp's formula capabilities are a game changer for basic financial calculations. You can set up formulas to automatically calculate variance, actual cost, estimated cost, remaining budget, or even sum up costs across multiple tasks or subtasks. This reduces manual errors and provides instant insights. Budget templates. ClickUp offers pre-built construction budget templates that provide a starting point for setting up your financial tracking. These templates often include predefined statuses and custom fields relevant to construction costs, accelerating your setup. 2. Real-time visibility and reporting. In construction, delays and cost overruns can quickly erode profitability. Real-time visibility into project finances is non-negotiable. Dashboards. ClickUp dashboards are powerful tools for financial oversight. You can create custom widgets to display critical financial KPIs, key performance indicators, at a glance. Imagine a dashboard showing total estimated versus actual cost for the entire project. Spending breakdown by budget category, e.g., labor, materials, equipment. Variance analysis for key phases or tasks. Status of pending invoices or payments. Cash flow projections based on current spending. This eliminates the need to constantly pull data from various sources and manually compile reports. Time tracking. ClickUp's native time tracking feature is invaluable for labor cost management. Team members can log their hours directly against specific tasks, which can then be linked to labor rates to calculate actual labor costs. This ensures accurate job costing and helps identify areas of inefficiency. Automations. Set up automations to trigger financial actions. For example, when a task status changes to invoice submitted, an automation could automatically update a payment due date custom field and notify the finance team. This streamlines processes and reduces administrative burden.